Hi guys, James 13 here with another video. Today, I named a couple of trucks that didn't have names. No, ain't truck, which is just a nickname. It ain't this guy. And you already know his name, and you probably know his name. And it's not him. Well, it's two certain hopper cars. Hey James, can you bring them in? Thank you, James. You can go over there for now. You can just stay there for the outro. Yep, I finally named these two freight cars. After having them for months and giving their friends names like Mr. Explosive, Andrew, etc., etc. Yes, I finally named these two. I'll tell you this guy's name first, because this one has actual story with this. A little. I named this truck Richard. I know some people think, why can't you just say, oh, this is Hector, and you just got paint blue. Well, he doesn't have any kind of Hector face. Also, by the way, I did not draw this face. It was one of my family members, because I didn't have any ideas what to do. And he made it really creepy, so yeah. Yeah, his name's Richard. Now, for this one. Yeah, I got these two at the same time at a store in another town, which is not the one I live in. I think I got them together anyways. I think I did. Yeah, I think I did. Well, this guy's name is Charcoal. Because his load is coal. So, Charcoal. Yeah. I saw this because his load is coal most of the time, and his is steel. So, yeah. Yeah, his name is Charcoal. Yeah. Oh, James. Yeah. Can you take these two away? Yep. I'll be right back. I'm back. Wait, also before I do the intro, I want to tell you something interesting about this mic's tender. Because I found the front at a train show, and I had the tender for years. I got some on the other side of the layout. And you see my bert here. Yes, this is Bert. My version of Bert. Well, before that became Bert, and before I got the front mic, you know what I did? I put his tender right in front of Bert here. And I pretended it was Lexi. But when I started making my series, I changed it to Bert. Because I don't feel like trivia on so far. And I got Mike from a train show. So that was perfect. And there used to be a face here, but I colored over it. The eyebrows used to be here, face here. And this used not to be here. And Lexi's name, you can still see some of the gold I used. Yeah, you can see it better on this side. So yeah, I just want to tell you guys that. Alright, Bert, you can go back to the works, get repaired. Alright, James, you want to do the outro? Yes. Does anyone want to do the outro with me? Can I do it, Mr. James? Okay, of course, Toad. But what about me, Toad? You can do it too, Mr. Oliver. Alright, I'll just come over here. Subscribe to Train Fan James 13. He's a really cool guy. Try and get him to 20 subscribers. He's at 15 right now. And someone did subscribe, but they unsubscribed an hour later. Sadly. Try and get us to 20, please. And the owner of the channel, maybe doing something so or follow. If he likes it, follow. Be waiting for that. He may or may not. I don't know. Ezra, I don't know either. He has mentioned it in a series when Boko came, but yeah, I don't know. I don't control the channel. Alright, well, bye guys. James Lane Red Engine, Lane Red Engine, Lane Red Engine, That's all, James. That's all, James. Bye guys, see you later. Bye guys, see you later.